Namaste everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Prashant J Yoga. Our today's focus is very important mudra called Garud Mudra. This mudra is why beneficial because this mudra is one of the powerful mudra which can remove the blockages in pranic body and allow your pranic flow to be free in your body. Garud is a vehicle of God Vishnu. Garuda Mudra is very responsible for removing the obstacle. So if you are the one and in your life there's so many obstacles, you are trying the efforts but it's not happening, it means you need this mudra. This mudra is also tantric mudra. I'm going to share with you the technique from Tantra Yoga. This mudra is very powerful if someone have done the black magic on you. And because of that, the environment around you is very negative, or you yourself is having negative thoughts, you have fears, you have low confidence, then you need this mudra perform. Very powerful mudra. Have you seen the wings of the Garuda? How strong. Similarly, your aura will become strong. And as the Garuda, when he flies, his wings move and clean the atmosphere and create the path for his body to move forward. Similarly, this mudra will clean the negative environment around you and gives you the path to move forward. So any obstacle, if they are there, it will be clean. Let's understand how to perform this mudra and then you will do with me. Okay, let's see. First in any mudra, and always remember that this mudra you will perform either facing to the east or north or temple. There's a one sadhana. While doing this mudra, you have to imagine also. I will tell you what to do after that once you perform this mudra. So to perform this mudra, you first sit in a comfortable position. Now see, keeping the hands front, but palm facing sideways. So the back of the hand touching together, okay? See, bringing them together, wrist will touch and then full palm. Now what you have to do is, you have to first lock your small finger around. Can you see that? See, nicely lock, corner to corner, okay? Here, nicely lock. And now when it is locked, the bottom index finger also you will lock from the bottom. See, here. Can you see that? So two locks, first outer, small, and the bottom one. So now you are locked. See my two fingers which are free, my middle finger and my ring finger, they are free. And now with these two fingers, you are moving the hands down. See, here. If you are tired, first of all, this mudra has to be closer to your chest. But sometimes because of the tiredness of the shoulders, you may not be able to place the hands for longer. You can place the hands down here. And now from here, again, readjust, lock nicely, keeping the two fingers together. But you see the thumb position, it has to be sideways. That's why I'm telling you to keep the hands front, because if you are down, it hardly can go side. It has to be center. Okay. Now, once you are there, you start moving the hands. This exhale. You can connect if you want powerful results. You can connect this movement with your breathing. So when you are exhaling, you are bending this closer to your thumb. When you're inhaling, exhale, inhale. Go slower and slower. Sometimes when you're tired, you can do the same way, bottom. So holding this mudra, see, synchronize the breath with every movement of these two fingers. Understand? Now the question is, how long you should do and how this mudra gives you the benefits. First of all, in the beginning, because it's a movement, right? So at least 21 times with a slow breathing, with a breathing connection you will do, and 3 sets. 21 times, 1 set, relax, sit in meditative pose and visualize the Garuda front of your third eye, okay? And focus and meditate on that Garuda, flying Garuda. And imagine, visualize that same way as Garuda clean the path, same way in your life, this Garuda is removing all the obstacles. And then after that, again second round, after 1 to 2 minutes of meditation, then again one more time, you will do the same variation, moving, exhalation and inhalation forward. These two fingers should be more movement way, okay? Understand one more time, see? Clear instructions. Close, first upper one, then close the thumb and index finger, thumb is free and moving sideways. And now, see here, this, can you see that? This is the mudra and this is how you are going to do. 3 sets when you perform this mudra, you will see after regular practice, at least for 10-15 minutes if you will do every day, you will notice that energetically all the blockages will be removed. Mudras are very powerful source for prana to channelize. It is not just a simple movement of the hands. It is the energetical connection. Mudras are the practices which connect your energy body to the cosmic energy field. So practice this mudra, remove the obstacle, write me in comment if you are having any obstacle to do this mudra. I'll make another video to make it more easy. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you soon. Namaste.